So I have this 7th gen here, yeah? And well, I fixed it before. I put a hole like it's open because of my stupid mistake. Right? I put a whole iFlash board in there, you know, storage, a new battery. But I noticed when I put it on, a few days after, I noticed the case was a little not aligned it right. So I had to undo it, you know, fix it up. And then, no, one of these clips, 2 of them started to bind up and attach onto it. I gave it a pull, I pulled it, and the headphone jack split. This thing's in good nick too, like that is shiny. That is a shiny pod. But yeah, I do got a new headphone jack though. Why am I using metal? I used metal in the last one. Use plastic, use the guitar pick. Like a real guitar pick. Oh, get out of here, iFlash. Fine, I disconnect the iFlash board. It just keeps on getting in the way. Okay, there's 1, 2 iFlash boards out. Get this out. That's rubbish. Alright, this side is sorted. It's just I don't want to use metal on battery this time. Alright, I'm gonna try a guitar pick. This don't feel right. Yeah. New battery too. So it's like yes. I hear peeling noises. Ooh, that headphone assembly jack is real stuck onto it. It doesn't matter because it's broken. And voila. Hopefully I've not damaged that. I need a screwdriver. Now it should just come out. Right? I did undo all the screws. Yes. 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 Oops, something's peeling. Aha. I think that's there, and this bit I don't know. That's gonna go there though. Line this up. First, that goes under. Snap it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. I don't know. It became undone. Let me put that screw in just to make life easier. Alright, that's one piece in. Now the hold left switch. Yes. Yippee! Ta-da! Oh, now my tweezers are great. This is my first time, if you haven't realized. I've never done a headphone jack replacement before. That's in. That's in. Perfect. Get. Well, apparently that's in. Where's the pick? Lock in. Alright. Now the battery goes back in. Well, actually, maybe I shouldn't. I need to put the storage back in anyway, so I was like. Okay, that's in. So that's in. I'm gonna put in the battery. I want to test if I haven't broke anything. Battery in. Oh yeah, the whole switch, yeah. That proves to me that works. It feels like this is it. And voila! Alright, let me get headphones. That snaps right in. Ooh, that screen's flickering though. Like lagging. What's it lagging? And copyright music. Ooh, what's it lagging? I'm stunned for questions. Screen connector looks okay-ish. Oh yeah, maybe I never fucking. Did I lock that in at all? Took the battery back in. Okay, I hope that's not breaking anything. Let me try to. That's not a tweezers. Oh boy, I hope I haven't broken anything else on it. Screen was flickering. I don't know that the camera picked it up, but it was flickering though. So I don't know. Oh. Shuffle music. I don't see flickering. And no lagging. Maybe it was I just didn't put down the thing on it. That probably, if you see that problem, it's probably that. Headphones. Turn you all the way up. And it's working. Yes. I don't think that's all the pops. There you go. 7th generation fixed, and well, this time I lined up the case pretty good. I'm never gonna open this again. Never again. Get out of here.